Hello my dear student. Today we will talk about volume and I bring a very nice video about our lesson today. I hope you will like it inshallah. So, are you ready to see the video? Okay, come on, let's see it together.
Volume of a cube. Side times side will tell you the number of times a cubic unit will be able to fit inside it. Imagine a cube with edges of 3. Multiply 3 by 3 by 3 to see. It can fit 27 units. Gotta mention that they're cubic. When finding volume, don't forget to mention the unit is a cube with 3 dimensions. To get a rectangular prism's volume right, length times width times the height. Cubic units label 3 dimensions when we answer any volume questions. With the dimensions 2, 3, and 6. First find the base, that's length times width. The base is 6 cubes, then multiply the height. 36 cubic units, fill it up just right. When finding volume, don't forget to mention the unit is a cube with 3 dimensions.
A solid shape made of more than one prism has a volume you can find. With this wisdom, think of each shape separately and find the volume of each individually. Then add the volumes, 9 and 1, we get 10 cubic units and this problem's done.
When finding volume, don't forget to mention the unit is a cube with
3 dimensions.
When finding volume, don't forget to mention the unit is a cube with 3 dimensions.
Okay guys, we finished the video habibi. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Now, I want from you to open your booklet page 207. Let's answer some questions together. In the first question we have today, he tells you that use the figure at right to answer 1 to 5. So, we will use this figure to answer questions from 1 to 5. Let's see the first question we have today. The top layer has what cube units? So he wants from you to tell how many cubes we have at top. So to know how many, we have 2 ways to find the answer. The first one by count, the second one by make multiply. I tell you the 2 ways and you can answer by whatever you like. So you can use the first one or you can use the second one. It's up to you, okay? Now, let's start with counting. Count with me, okay? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Super. So, we have 12 cube units at the top. But I need from you to focus here. Don't tell me, Miss, you forgot this. No. Here we talk about cube. Don't forget, this is the shape of the cube, okay? First of all, that's a square, but the cube is like this. Okay? So, that is 1 cube, okay? So be focused, okay? Let's see the next one. Here, the middle layer has what cube units? So let's see. Let me show you the middle. The middle is here. So if I want to know how many cube units do we have in the middle, you can count or you can make multiply. Here, let me show you how you can make multiply. First of all, we have two ways. This is the first one, that's the second one. So let's count to know how many do we have here in the first line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the first way we have 4. In the second we have 1, 2, 3. So we have here 2 dimension. We have 3 and 4. All what you have, just make multiply. So that would be 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 equal what? Super, that will be 12. Excellent حبايبي. Let's see the third question. Here he asks you, the bottom layer has what cube units? Where is the bottom here? That's it, okay? We need to know how many we have here. So we will make multiply. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other side we have 1, 2, 3. So we will make it 4 times 3, and that will give us 12. Okay, so here we have 12 cube units. Let's see question number 4. Here he asks you how many cubes are there in all. So we need to know how many cubes do we have in all. So you can count or you can make multiply, okay? Okay. So if you want to count, you can count, it's okay. If you want to make multiply, what should we do? We have 2 lines here, right? 1, 2, 3. In each one, we have 12, right? So that will be 12 times 3. And can you tell me 12 times 3 equal what? Super, that's equal 36. Excellent حبايبي. So when he asks you the volume is what cube units, that's here he asks about the total, and the total here is 36. Okay حبايبي? Let's see the next one. Here he asks you find the volume of each solid figures. Let's see question number 6. To find the volume here, what should we do? We will count how many cubes do we have here. So let's see the first line we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 3, 9. So in the first one we have 9, but we have 2, right? 1 and 2. So that will be 9 times 2. We will make it times 2. 9 times 2 equal what? Equal 18. So the volume of this figure equal 18 cube units, okay? Let's see the next one. Okay, here, question number 7. If you look carefully here, in this row, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay? And here we have 1, 2. So at the bottom, we have 3 times 2, so we have 6 here. Okay? In the middle, we have 1, 2, and here 1, 2. So 2 times 2 equal 4. And at the top, we have only 1, 2. So all what we have to do here, just make plus. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So the volume here will equal 12. If you don't want to make this, you can count one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay? Let's continue. Now I want from you to open your booklet page 208. If you look carefully here, we have 2 row and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 columns. So you can make multiply. So that will be 6 times 2, 6 times 2, and that will give you 12. Or you can count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the volume here equal 12, okay? Let's see the next. Here he wants from you to find the volume. So let's see how many rows do we have here. We have 1 and 2, right? And the column here 1 and 2, 2, right? Okay. So at the top here we have 2, 2. So 2 times 2 equal 4. And at the bottom we have 2 times 2 equal 4. So all what we have, just make plus. So 4 plus 4 equal what? Come on, I'm waiting for your answer. Super, that will equal 8. Great job. Or you can count. You will tell me that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? You got it? Let's see number 5. Let's start at the up here. We have 1 and 2. Okay? So let's write number 2. Let's see the bottom here. We have 1, 2, 3, and here we have, so here we have 3, and here we have also 3, 1 and 1 under that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6, so you can make plus. So 6 plus 2 equal 8. So the volume here equal 8. And now habibi, we finish our session. I hope you understand the lesson and you enjoy the video. So bye and see you next time, inshallah. Bye.